Good afternoon. My name is Umko Brouwers. I'm a graphic designer from the Netherlands. And we're doing some animation today. Hey Oliver and Odari, welcome to the stream. Happy New Year again. Sorry that took so long. I had to check. I'm expecting a delivery and the bell wasn't working, so I had to double check. I need to check again. Gonna leave my mic open and tell me if you can hear the bell. I think I'm supposed to hear it when I'm downstairs, but I'm checking again just in case because it wasn't working yesterday. Be right back. I'm back. Don't think you guys heard anything, did you? I didn't hear the bell either. I don't know what is happening with this thing. I don't have a user manual. So these buttons, there's just a few buttons here. One to change the melody, one for volume, and I think the other one is just to turn it on and off, but the light is on. It's flickering every now and then. There's a blue light, so I was thinking it's working, but I don't know. Oliver didn't hear anything. Oliver either didn't hear anything. Isn't your doorbell normally? Yeah, exactly. It is pretty loud. What about the button on the door? Has the battery run out in that? I'm assuming it's... Yes, it's wireless. Oh no! Is there a battery in the one on the door? Well, that must be it then. Because this one is still working. It's still flickering the lights. Oh, have to be vigilant then. Let's see, they're supposed to be... Oh, it's so annoying. They set a period of time, right? Between something and something. Yeah. Let me open up the YouTube. It's so annoying. Yeah, they say there'll be around between 6 and 8, I think. I'm double checking now. Oh man, that's just so stressful. I don't want to miss the thing because that's my groceries. And then I'm gonna have to pay for delivery. I'm gonna have to pay for the groceries, I think, that I did not receive. Maybe stunning it. Hey Jane, Happy New Year. Oh, between 6 and 10, or they're expected to arrive around 8:50. Oh my goodness, okay. Okay. Let's just hope. I'm gonna have to leave this open. We do get a message though on the phone when they're arriving, but still, this is stressing me out a little bit. It's like 4 hours from now. Yeah, but you never know, you know? These stupid deliveries. We could come early, but a good thing we end at 6. I started late. It's almost 4:30 now. 4 hours from now, yeah. But that's oh, what did I miss? You're expecting a delivery too? It was meant to come on Wednesday, then yesterday. Now apparently it's out. What the Oh, that's annoying. Oh, it's starting to get dark as well now. And we have snow. It snowed this morning. So I have some snow now. How's everyone today? How are you, Jane? I hope you're well. I hope you're feeling a little better. You've been ill for quite some time now. Checking my screen. Let's hop into whatever it is I was doing. After Effects. Sunset changes fast now. In a month it'll be an hour later. Sunrise moves a bit slower. Yeah. What Dari says, yeah, it won't stop snowing here. Ugh. You guys in the US have crazy weather. And oh my god, there was this emergency news broadcast a few hours ago. I don't know what's happening. What is going on with the world? I believe there's gonna be a press conference in about half an hour. But yeah. Oliver says the tiny amount of snow we got yesterday is still here. Haha, yay. It's that cold. I wonder what the weather is. It felt pretty cold when I was just outside just now. 1 degree, okay. 1 Celsius is about 33 Fahrenheit. It felt colder. It felt like it was minus something. Hey Stian, welcome to the stream. Minus 8 degrees? Oh, it feels like minus 14. Ah, that's cold. Yeah, I'm trying to think. I was working on this. How I should loop this. I animated this swinging of the, what is this, lint? A rope. But oh, says it's 1 degrees here. Don't know what it feels like. I'm not going outside to find out. Well, I had to because of the doorbell. Otherwise, I would not have gotten out either. You can wear summer clothes with 1 degree. I don't think so. Oh my goodness. Okay, I thought to support myself a little bit of an energy drink. I know I shouldn't be drinking energy drinks, but can't help it. I like it, and it's been a while since I last had some. I just recently bought a few cans. Oh, hey Evie and Sean, welcome to the stream. Welcome. Hope you're having a good day. We are chilling, kind of. I'm a little stressed, maybe for no reason, but you never know. I'm expecting a delivery, and they could come at 6, right at 6, and I hope we end by then. You never know. Because it's really, especially with post deliveries, it's when you look 1 minute you look at the track and trace for the exact delivery time, and when you refresh your page, it suddenly changed. So I'm I'm quite nervous about that happening today. And these deliveries, these grocery deliveries, they charge you. What? You're waiting for your luggage to... Oh man, no way. Oh, that's not good. You've not had a good start of the new year, Sean. Sean says the worst is UPS though. They just show up without warning and get surprised when you're at work midday on a weekday. Yeah. Ah, but it's in Germany, so that's okay. Oh, that's good. It's not like it's still in the US or something. Yeah, okay. I'm less lethargic compared to yesterday. I felt really tired and yeah, slow yesterday, but I guess I had fun with the stream. I had fun with the game. We did a lot of boss fights that I won. So I'm looking at this thing here, right? I wanted to loop, but I can't loop this path. And it's on the one layer in a separate group from all the other strokes or outlines. Stroke paths, I should say. So there's one path. I animated it. If I would have done like a rotation property, that would have been easy to loop, but I can't use an expression for this one. It gives me an error message if I do loop out. I don't know what else to do. I wish Kyle Hamrick or Evan Abrams were online to help, but I just left Kyle a Happy New Year message. Oh man, now that isn't working. What the heck is happening? I have the right... My quotes. Why is it not a function? It needs a function, not... Oh man, why is it not... Okay, save the project. This... Yeah, it's not... Why? It was working just now. Gosh, dang it. What's the error? Happy New Year, Kyle. While you're reading this, I have a problem with After Effects. Have you tried just looping it? It's because it's a group with it. It's like a cluster of groups of this one layer, rocket layer, and it has all these paths, right? All separate groups within. So I don't know. Even loop out doesn't work. See, it's not... It stops. after it's done playing the keyframes. It does not loop. So I tried, it's not working. And now it doesn't want to do the looping expression. Loop out. No, it's just my keyboard isn't showing. Let me type. Yeah, why all of a sudden I can't? What am I doing? I don't have caps lock on. It's not. Why is it not showing the quotes? It's typing backwards. That's because... Why? Backwards because... Why? I don't know. Yeah, it's not. What did I do? Oh man. Annoying. Why can't I type quotation marks? I need it for later for other expressions. Why is it not? God dang it. It's not. Ugh. No, it's not. It's on the path. Because I animated the path itself and not the properties. Of that path. Didn't even... Yeah. Yeah, you're applying to a path that won't work, yeah. So... figuring I mean, might as well do this. It's open here. And Theon said, what if you put a separate comp, then loop the comp? That could work, but then I have to take this path out of this group, right? Create a new, just for this tiny little thing. I just want to keep everything within the same layer. Guess. Because then I'd have this layer and another separate layer for just this one path. If I pre-comp that, I can loop it, right? I think I can. No, I can't. I still can't loop it. Anywho. Let's get this expression out of here. I mean, I kind of like the wiggly. Oh my god! But then I have to complete the movement, because if I just copy this is not gonna work. Goes from there to there, and then when it goes back. I mean, it's just a silly. Okay, wait a minute. Let's go here to there. I didn't change the direction because I wanted to come to a halt. See if I can. What's the pen tool again? Oh, it's G. And this is starting point. Let's just do this. Make it come to a halt. I skipped a few, but anywho, that's all right. Maybe this swing back could be a little less. But okay, what did I miss? Loop out to be applied to time remap. Oh, to trim your layer, pre-compose it. So, oh, it does work. Okay. So pre-compose and then use a time remap. Of course, time remap. Of course. Yeah, that shouldn't matter to whether it's just an animated path or one of the other properties, right? Once it's in a comp, you just need to use time remap. Okay. That's from someone having the same issue in Reddit. Ah. Okay. Because I was thinking about that. Would it still work because it's a path that's animated? But I think it would work either way since it's pre-composed, right? It's within a pre-comp. So that should work then. I was thinking maybe it doesn't work because it's the animated path. It's not a, well, it's still a property, but it's not a, you know. Okay, but I don't know. I already did this, made it come to a stop. This is fine. It's gonna be like on screen. I'm gonna animate this like going upward. So it's gonna disappear, so this timing is fine. It's not gonna be on screen. Like, this is fine. This is fine. Doesn't have to loop. Just the looping is nice because just in case, I don't know how long or how slow I want the what do you call this, the firework to move from the bottom to the top. So if it's looping, it wouldn't matter, right? I wouldn't have to mind that the timing so much. But anywho, we did this. That's fine. Next up are, where are they? Okay, here. Path. I'm just gonna copy this. Trim paths from, where are the other ones? This group is within this group, I think. Yeah. Show me. I'm gonna copy this. Copy. And need to find the right group again. Path, select. Paste. Here we are. And this one. Paste. That one, paste. Put on the UU. Ugh, how am I supposed to find these? That's the path. 2, number 1. Yeah, that's fine. But I want these to loop. Dang it. Hey Penny, welcome to the stream. Get you out? What? How embarrassing, kick me out. What? What happened? Uma. Oh. Oh, you typed my name. That's the wrong button. Sean says, it's never eyes and never boot you, Penny. Not sure about Oliver. I'd never boot you. Yeah, that's fine. Not sure about Oliver. Oh gosh. I don't think Oliver would mind. He spelled margarita wrong. Margarita pizza. Margarita pizza. Pizza margarita. I don't know how he spelled it. Benny says, I don't see the Oliver shield. Yeah, that's only when we're gaming. I guess once could be enough. It doesn't have to loop constantly. And we could do it once. Oh gosh. Like making excuses to not do expressions. Okay, here we go. I'm trying to do more After Effects this year. I swear to God, I'll try to do more After Effects. Okay, I can hide this group now. Here's where we're working. The trim paths. Is it... Do we have... Okay, I'm just gonna try it out. Loop out. Yeah, that's not what I want. Definitely not. Now, let's see if my quotation marks are still gone. Why can't I use the quotation marks? What's happening? What did I do that made it... Yeah, it's not, why can't I type it? I can't type it anywhere. Let's use, okay, yeah, that's fine. Put it here. Yeah, it's not working anywhere. What keyboard layout have you got set? Got set even. I need that to access the looping options. The cycle, is there more? There's ping pong, and there are other options for loop out, for the loop out expression. I mean, it's set to Dutch. It should be okay. It's always set to Dutch. With the US keyboard. Shift 2? Shift -2? Oh gosh. Shift 2? No. Word problem. Oh man, why is this happening now? It was working fine. I did something to punch some kind of key in and now it doesn't work. Just lost the ability to type quotation marks. All the others are working. No, just that button. It's not working. What if you press Shift plus... What? Shift and this button, if you can see it on screen, that's what I'm pushing. What? Can you see it on my keyboard input? This is what I'm pushing. A US. Yes. On the same key, yes. That's what I said. It's a US. It's not. It was working fine. Just so. United States. Well, it's in Dutch. I guess you couldn't read that. I'm sorry. Verenigde International. I thought maybe it was a After Effects issue or Illustrator. That's why I restarted the app, but it didn't work. Now I'm stuck. Hey Mafu, welcome to the stream. Redeemed hydrate. Thanks, Mafu. It's not sticky keys, is it? I don't know. Is it? I hope not. I don't know. What's the sticky keys again? I hope not. Maybe this. I don't know. Oh, what was that? Accessibility feature locks down modifier keys. Yes. Where is it again? What was that sound effect? I heard a ding. I do have the sticky keys because I use it when I was using the other keyboard input. I don't remember where it is. I do not have a lot of apps. I don't use it except for Adobe and stuff. Where is it? Can't remember. It's a shortcut to access it, but I don't know. Windows? Tools? No. It's... I don't know. I don't see it. Sound was a new follower. I think it was on YouTube because it's not on the Twitch. Oh, YouTube. Got to look at YouTube. Oh, that's cool. Man, why are we always troubleshooting here? Okay. Where is it? Toegankelijkheid. Okay, here we go. Accessibility. Here, it's all in Dutch. Spraak, toetsenbord, tekst. What does it do then? I don't see anything where. Toetsenbord, block filter, there we go. Oh, it's turned off. Everything is off. Schermtoetsenbord, toegangstoetsen, onderstrepen. Type. Okay, there we go. Language, Dutch, English, Korean, Thai. No, that's not the language. Typing. Suggestions. There's like autocorrect or something. It's all turned off. Oh, spelling. Okay, that's turned on. Marking. Wrong spelling. I don't know. This doesn't seem like I activated anything. You need to change the keyboard layout from US International to just US. US International has some weird thing where you have to press space after pressing. Yes, that's the thing. I always did that. And it usually works. So I have to change it to just US. Where was that again? Toetsenbord. Type. Taalregio. Nederlands. Where do I change that? Jane says, it's possible your keyboard layout has changed. Mine sometimes changes to US for no apparent reason. Keyboard, apparently pressing shift 5 times. Oh! Okay, well I did use the shift key a lot. Where do I change it to just US then? Regionale indeling, getalnotatie, valuta. No, that's not, that's just weergavetaal is yes, Dutch. Windows weergavetaal, voorstel, international. Nederlands. Click on one of the languages. Yes, I was just looking at chat.
Zero variable just redeemed check.
Perfect animation for Oliver. Click. Okay, let me read back. Click on one of the languages, click on the next to language to get the options. Taalregio. My Dutch. Nou, taalopties. Taalpakket. Toetsenborden, there we go. Qwerty. support toevoegen. Verenigde Staten. This one. Ah, that's where it is. Taalregio opties, okay. Windows key and space to change input options. That should bring the keyboard layout choice. Really? Let's try that. Windows and space. Oh my god, I can't see the keyboard anymore. Windows space. Ah, yeah. I'm really bad with shortcuts for Windows because I never use them. I always use my mouse to navigate everywhere. Do I remove the US International? I mean, I could always add it later if I want to change it. Okay, now I'm gonna turn on some lights and we'll try out. Oh my god, it's so dark now. Even with all the snow. I guess it's pretty cloudy, of course. Okay, let's try again. Sit upright. Ha! There we go. So we have continue, cycle, offset, and ping pong. Those are the options. Yay! It's working. Thanks, everyone. Oliver, Jane. Now remove international. Jane says, so do I, but I can't see your taskbar and if you have the input showing there. Hey, Alessandra, welcome to the stream. Input icon is there in the system tray. Yeah, I got four languages installed, just in case I needed to type in a different language. We're animating, Alessandra, like the title says in the under the stream. And yeah, we're figuring out resolving some tech issues again, as always. Okay, so I wanna what does cycle do exactly again? Continue? No, continue is not. Is it ping pong? I think it's ping pong. It's like the best option for this. Let's see what it does. Yeah, no, definitely not ping pong. That is like, I don't have the right. I don't know enough to expressions to loop out is also too fast. Yeah, that doesn't. What does loop duration do again? Loop out duration. Loop out duration. Something about loop out duration, and then I tried this. How many frames is this? 5? I don't know if this is gonna work. 5? No, it's wrong. Wrong expression. Must be a string or number. Argument must be string or number. So we do cycle, comma 5. Is that gonna work? It's still wrong. Is it? Maybe it's not. Loop out duration. I need to study up on the expressions. No error message, but I don't know what it's gonna do. Ooh! Nothing. Didn't do anything. What if it's 3? The number is referring to the amount of frames, right? Be it the last 3 frames. That's not working. Cycling through the last 2 frames is not going to help anyway, because the last 2 frames is this. Yeah. Oh, loop out is also not right, like we discovered. Loop out duration type is cycle. Duration is 0. Try adding the type and duration, though I'd have thought it. Error if it needed them. Okay, I don't know if you need to add in type, but we'll try it. Loop out duration. Cycle. Zero. Loop out duration. Cycle. Zero. Don't put in zero. Well, that's what I did just now. It didn't work. This is like only 5 frames long. That's why I entered 5 at the beginning, but it's not doing anything. It's not cycling through anything. And then we tried 3 and 1. I thought 0 meant something. Okay. Mafu says, gotta go. Thank you for streaming. Thanks for hanging out, Mafu. Yeah, this cycle is not gonna work. Loop out duration. Loops the time from the layer's endpoint to its last keyframe. Yeah, so the endpoint is the first keyframe, right? Yeah, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames long. That's why I entered 5. But I guess that's wrong. Cycle. Yeah, from the layers endpoint. Oh, from the layers endpoint, so not from the first keyframe. Well, the layers endpoint. Yeah, it's because I'm starting the trim path like 20 frames in, I think. Oh, does it take 20 frames before it loops? Before it cycles through? Wait a minute. Let's did I not wait long enough? Fine. Yeah, no, it's not. Nothing's happening. Oh, there it goes. It does happen, but it takes like 7 seconds before it cycles through? What the heck? And there's a very speedy trim path. See? And there it goes, yeah. Like around the 7-second mark is where it cycles. Oh, 6 seconds. Okay, so that's not what we want. Why does 5... If I lower this, does this do anything to the... It's not the... Yeah, okay. It does that. It's too fast. Too fast. Uh, no, don't do that. Is this gonna help? Slows it down, but that's not what the movement or the animation that I wanted to, I guess. It does something. Put 0? It's waiting 5 seconds before it loops. Ah. I put in 1, but the cycle is not the... It's not the right. Cycle does not make sense in this case then. Don't make me use it again. Can you do negative? Would negative make sense? A negative number would make sense, would it? Oh, so that duration is just the time it holds or it stops before it starts the cycle. What is cycle, by the way? This is not what we want. Continuous is not. Maybe it's continuous, maybe a better option. Can you do it? Yeah, I mean, I also don't know. Penny, it's... I could do a negative. I don't think it, I feel like a negative doesn't do anything. -1. It can't wait -1 seconds. It's like 0 is already. It should start straight away then. The cycle. It should even start before the cycle, before the loop, before the animation even finishes. If it's a negative number, I don't know. Oh gosh. All of it says, basically, if you add a comma and a number after your duration loop property, your expression will loop based on seconds instead of keyframes. Oh, I don't find this type of loop to be very helpful in a lot of cases. But it's there and now you know about it. Oh, okay. So this is like, yeah, according to time. Yeah, loop duration, loop out duration. I need to... learn more about expressions. A single wave looping in and out, but with one key difference. Loop duration will loop based on time. Seconds when an argument modifier is applied to its yes. Basically, if you add a comma and a number after your duration loop property, your expression will loop based on seconds instead of keyframes. Yeah, School of Motion, I'm also on the website. I'm on the same page, I think. PRB, welcome to the stream. It's not helpful. I understand what's going on, but it's not what I need for this situation. Ping pong is not. I have to change the animation. Yeah, looping is not. Looping is not gonna work. A looping is not gonna work. Okay. Okay. Just using loop out cycle not work. I think it didn't. It works, but it's the cycle is not how I want it to. Animate, right? It's a little. We could just loop out cycle. It's just not the right expression for this situation. But see, it's too fast. It's like continuously going. I want the cycle to be slower. I don't know how to type that out in expression language. Ignore me. Just change the word. Yeah, none of the options are what I want or what I need. It's not continuous, not cycle, offset is not, ping pong is also not what I want. It's not nothing. All the loop things are not what I want. I'll just, I guess maybe copy pasting the keyframes would be easier for me in this case, because otherwise we'd be spending all this time trying to figure out expressions. I mean, maybe once or twice is... I don't even know how long. This is just gonna take just a few frames. Maybe once is enough. I don't know. Is once enough? Yeah, everything is done only once. I'll show you what I did here with the other thingies. That's all I got. These are continuous. I want it to be a trim paths animation for all of these vectors, but yeah, it didn't work. We tried all that. We tried all the seconds, all the numbers after the comma. It's not what I want or need. Yeah, if these were all separate layers, we could do like a pre-comp, like we discussed in the beginning. Okay, let's see. Think, what do I want to do? What did I do with the star? That's just the scale animation. Then we could loop. This is loopable, but then again, it's gonna be so fast because this is such a short. Milliseconds. It's just the cycle is not the right type. The modifier number for loop out tells it how many of the previous keyframes to loop through. For loop out. Ah! So maybe loop out. We're trying all the things here. Loop out. And then use a modifier. Straight away? Don't you need two? If I push in 5, so loop out cycle, I feel like it's still gonna have a weird 5. These are 5 frames. I'm gonna have to do the same here, right? Loop out. Did we not try this? I think we did this when we had the issue with the... Before we had the issue with the quotation marks. Okay, anywho. See, it's too fast. 5 frames. I want the 5 frames to loop, but not like straight after the fact. You know? I need more knowledge of expressions, like what do you add if you wanted to wait like a second or something before it loops again? There's like a time something expression. I don't know. 5. This is only 5 frames long, this this trim paths animation. One, two, three, four, five. Yeah, 5. Double 10. Oh, right, because nothing happens 5 frames before that. Should I add? How much longer do I want to wait? 20? 25? Or is that too much? I don't know. That could work. Hey, is that the solution? Oh my god. If that is the solution, that is so simple. How silly of me. Why did I not think of that? Because the number for loop out tells it how many of the previous keyframes to loop through. So if I add more keyframes, just since nothing is happening here, that is like the pause that I need. Oh my gosh. No, it's still freaking the cycle is not, it's not working. It's not. What is that? That is not how I want it to loop. Ping pong is also not, then it goes back and forwards. Yeah. No, it's not. That's still not. It's doing all these weird things. Well, we thought we almost had it, but we don't. See, I need more better understanding of expressions. Ah. Set the cycle just for that part itself? What do you mean? Set the cycle just for that part. Cycle, it's just the cycle expression is not working for this particular trim paths. Just not in the way I am doing this. It's just not working. It's too fast. There's no pause or anything. You can see the other paths that I animated the same way because I copy pasted the trim paths. Keyframes. So, like this. And then look at what it's doing. It's not even finishing the... See, it goes from... it doesn't do the ending. So it copies 25. 25 is not even... This is not making sense. Loop is also, it's too fast because it's only 15 frames, right? I think I'm just gonna have to copy the keyframes. This is just not gonna work. The looping is not gonna work. I'm just gonna have to copy the keyframes and put them in the spots that I want it to appear. This is just going to be... I am gonna loop this layer though. I'm gonna pre-comp this and then loop this. Fireworks. So I just, yeah. Well, I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna do that. No, I can't. Wait a minute. If I do that, wait a minute. Do I offset or just use loop? It has more parameters to set. Just loop? Oh, how'd you do that? Oh, wait a minute. I have to turn my keyboard on. I'm thinking. Oh no, wait a minute. I want this one to move in and out. This one we just want to be on screen somewhere here. Did I even yes, I already scaled this. Should I move it anyway? This, yeah, we should just right, it's 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 2, 3, 4 is. Oh, Jesus. 3 and 4. Okay, right, I moved this here because of the background, only because of the background. I'm gonna move all these keyframes to the front of the timeline, and then we can pre-compose everything. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, gonna do that. Okay, then how long do I want this to be? This is, where's the end? 2:15 is where that what's that? Lant? What's lant? Minute angles. What is in Korean. I want Dutch. What is a fuse, right? The fuse. So here's where the fuse stops. That's how long it's gonna be. 216. Let's do 215. That's the fuse. The path animation. Here we can make it. Move it over. Okay, 215. That's great. And it starts. Yeah, that's great. It's fine that these start at the same time. Do you want them to start at the same time? The stars? Maybe later. Delay the stars. See the problem here, I can't see. I can't tell. Okay, star. Yeah, right. Scale. Okay. Okay. So it's like 1, 2 frames, and they all end at the same spot. This is do I call this? I don't know what to call this. General, is general here? Let me name this first. What do I call this? Spark? Spark left. Spark right. So the left spark start like 2 frames, 1, 2. Spark left. That's like 2, and then another 2, 1, 2. Yes, that's the spark right. Okay, and then we have these, the 3 group 2, 3, 4. That's them. 2. No, that's not them. It's group 2. Oh my goodness. Too many groups. 2, 3, and 4. General? That's not general. Hello on YouTube. Welcome to the stream. Shadow MK4, Annex AK, and Ramit Q4K. Wow. I don't know if it's general. No, but other people are being ignored. I'm sorry, YouTube. Forgot to check on YouTube. Welcome to the stream. Happy New Year. I'm trying to figure out what to do. Okay. So we got these. Where were we? 1, 2, 3. The 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 2, 3, and 4. Two starts here. And it starting at the same time as this left spark. I'm gonna move them no, got the wrong one. Spark left, spark right. 2, there we go. So this, and this. These 3 have to move 1, 2 frames up the timeline. Okay, great. And let's put in like a frame delay for these ones as well. Is this the same? Yeah. Okay. Let's what's the shortcut for this? Yes, there we go. So Alt and arrow key is how you move the keyframes on the timeline. Okay. There we go. Okay, we got this right. And then what is this? Timing. That's a star. Okay. This is the first star? No, this is second star. When does the first star start? Way too soon. I will move these up to appear after the ending, near the ending. Okay, let's have them start here because this takes 2:15. Okay, I guess we can move them along. See how this looks. Yeah, okay. Too late? Yeah, because this is still moving. Oh my god, what happened to that? It's too fast? Oh, now I feel like the sparks are too fast. One, two, three, maybe? I don't know. It's still pretty fast, but I mean, I guess. Did I move? Check chat.
Unzero variable just redeemed. Check chat.
Penny says, hi YouTube people. I think the issue with your loop was just that you started it immediately at the last keyframe of the sequence. You need to add a pause before you start looping it. So it's just one more empty frame before the loop ends. Jane says, I've never mastered loop expressions. I'm no use whatsoever. Aw. Too much to type. It was also changed about 50 things before reading it. It's a nightmare taking instruction from chat because of the bloomin' delay. That's true. 6. Oh, it's almost it's time. Dang it. Yes, my delivery. I need to double check. Oh my god. Still. Oh, they're arriving at 10 now. What the heck? They're gonna be here at 11? That's so late. Surprised they're still delivering this late. But okay, that's fine. I'm awake. Anyway. No early night for you then, yeah. I guess not. Yeah, that was pretty late. Groceries, Alessandra. Delivering groceries. I mean, I guess. It's fine. It's not... It doesn't have to be. Have they had a problem? I once had a grocery delivery really late because the van broke down. They had to send another one to transfer. Yeah, it doesn't say. It just says, I'm sorry. We're sorry for the inconvenience. Our delivery guy is possibly a little late and will be expected. You can't expect them between 10:40 and 11:40. My god. Like around midnight. In between 10:40 and 11:40. We apologize for the inconvenience. Yeah. That's an inconvenience, alright. It's 4 hours later. What you said. Oh my goodness. But I believe Evie will be streaming later. Oh, music got louder. How's that? Is that better? I feel like my voice is a little loud. Better? Okay. John says, you don't have to end now? Now? Alessandro says, I will be streaming today too at 1 p.m. EST. What time is that? 1 p.m. I have the clock here. In an hour. Uh-huh. Yes. After Effects explode function. Yeah, I guess it's kind of, I don't know. I guess it's okay for this. I'm gonna use I can use a transform. I could use a null. Do I need a null for this? I don't feel like I need a null for this. Thing is, I wanted to do trim paths for everything. Ooh, I forgot to give it a fill. To fill in these buildings. Amsterdam 1, 2. No, I need the flat. got to fill it. Chimney. Yes. There we go. And the store building has 2 chimneys. Building. See, I named these. Luckily. Yes, that's what I want. And that chimney. I want to have a fill as well. They didn't have a fill. Okay. I wanted to do a trim paths only animation, but then I thought it felt a little bit boring. That's why I animated this last building differently. A little differently. Just add something different. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. The timing is not right. Don't look at the timing. I mean, I don't mind this. This is fine. It's gonna be a loop going from here to here anyway. Okay, let's call this finished. Where's the other cracker? Firecracker. That is. Firework. Fire rocket. What do you call these? Penny's gonna make a snack real quick. Evie says, "You're up next on the stream then, Alessandra." I've just been doing a load of admin, and I tell you, my brain is now thinking only in folders and alphabetical order. Just firework. I call this a firecracker. I guess firework. Would be fine. And these are sparks. Spark 1, spark 2, and this is spark 3, and that's the group that I also haven't named. That's the fuse. We need to name it, so this is the, I don't know, call it body. And that's the stand. That's the cone. Cone top, probably. Yeah, it is. We are just gonna put a trim path on this entire group. Do we want a trim paths? I am moving them. I don't think we don't want a trim paths. I'm just gonna do the spark. Now, have I copied? I have not copied. I will copy it now. Alright, I still have to move the all the keyframes here to the start. Here. I'm gonna loop this and then move them to the position on the timeline where I want it to start. But for now, this is fine. So everything starts. Yeah, the only reason I'm starting it here is because of the background. I can't tell what is what if I don't do it this way. And because my paths are white. Yes, okay, that's fine. This is fine. I'll just loop this. It's fine as well. Move you here. And maybe want you to appear at the same time. Why not stagger these as well? Wait, let's do these. One, maybe 2 frames behind. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ah, I can't tell. Yeah, that's better. Okay, 2 frames difference. Fine. Okay, now I'm going to. How long is this? 122. Okay. 122. Gonna pre-comp this. Recompose. Firecracker. Firecracker 1. Let me name Firecracker. Yes, 2. 122. Want to set prop the comp and 122, make it 122. So we can loop this here. Enable time remapping. This is where we do the loop out. Loop out. I don't know if this is still necessary, but it's how I learned to do the loop. Where is my, oh, right. Do we can add a null. Or can we transform this? Yeah, this is fine. This is loop how it loops here. Yeah. So same thing we're gonna do for this one. How long is this? 16 frames. Precomposing. 2 hop in here. Where's my? Let's crop it. Comp. 16 was it? Wasn't it? Yeah, 16 frames. Okay. Get out. Enable Control Alt T is the shortcut. Loop out. Then okay. Right, it's here. There it goes. Yeah, this is fine. This is fine. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick null, layer new null. I guess. What should I do? Control in front. Nope, I'm gonna do it there. And maybe use it different. Layer new. Did I type that right? Firecracker 2, control. Ah, okay. Okay, where do we want to place this? The other one goes through the middle. Where do we want to start? Right here. Oh, I still need a... I need a mask for this. Another sub, gift sub for Penny. Oh my gosh, Oliver. Penny's back. Got a piece of toast. After Effects has weird names for things. CC Mr. Mercury. Yeah, I'm having problems recalling the names as is. It is JSON with special After Effects name attached as. Yeah. Use. Was that JavaScript? JSON X and then add the After Effect name for it. So many gifts. Oh, I forgot. You had a streak. What was it? 35 stream streak? The beginning, I forgot. Got to mention that. Alessandro's having Chinese for lunch. Now I'm starting to get hungry as well. I have a bowl of salad in front of me, but it doesn't look that appetizing anymore. The lettuce has gotten soggy. Good thing I still have some other veggies in there that is still crunchy. Oh gosh. I'll just make an omelet or something and have that with a little bit of rice. I don't know. So, what we're gonna do, I need a mask. Can we use... I can't use the background because that's in a comp as well. I have a background. Yeah, the frames, the colored frames are in a separate comp. The orange, this is the orange frame. One of the orange frames. Okay, it's that one, apparently. So if I copy this frame, it's just a shape layer. And I paste it here. Paste. Where is it? Oh, it's at the bottom. Okay. Need to be at the top. Doesn't have a fill though. Oh, it has effect. Well, get rid of the effect. You don't need this to be an effect. And then I'll use this as a... It's not the track mat. No, it can't be. They're not going to be visible if I do it this way. Wait a minute. No mat. Let's animate the position first. Starting right here. Okay, and how long do we want this to take? A second. Okay. I guess. I don't suppose I can put a mask on this, can I? Because the mask is gonna move along with the... I'm so confused sometimes. Yeah, you can't mask. Guess it should work this way. If this... Oh, I guess it shouldn't mind it. Well, it is. It's still gonna be visible. I'll need to offset that. How would we do this? Thanks, Oliver. RB says Ellie Chinese or Chinese food. There's a slight difference. Chinese food. A merry dancing chicken Christmas. Sean says you have no idea how much I need this. The chicken dance. Oliver's been playing Santa Claus, a late Santa. Geez, how am I gonna do this? The masking. I did it with, I think I did it here with a frame mask. Where's the mask? I did it with the buildings. The tutor? Nay, the buildings. I did it with the buildings. Where did I use? Oh no, I forgo that option. Oh my gosh. A follower. Thanks for the follow. Follow. Lau Junior. I'm happy you are back, Sean. Looking forward to your streams again. I felt so lonely in the afternoon. You were always there streaming. So we could always hop in, chat, or lurk while you were working. Yeah, I forgo the masking with the buildings because I could just add a fill. I wanted to mask the front buildings because, well, it doesn't matter anymore because I just added a fill. So it's masked out in a way. But here, is it? I don't think it can use. Or maybe I can and then invert it. Invert the mat. No, it should be visible, but it should be invisible here when it's out of frame. Does it work now? It does. Okay, so it is just a math. Okay, so it does. It's a track mat. Yeah. So this frame is mask. frame. Yeah, I'll leave this here. Yeah, so this kind of makes sense. Yeah, okay, and then we'll slow the animation down, of course. Slower. Let's make it this slow. Yes, and then the first one, move this over like a few frames. See, you can't even see the animation. It's that fast, but it's gonna be continuous. Hey, it's not looping. Wait a minute. Of course it's not looping. Because this is not looping. But let's wait with the looping. Still have to ease these. Let's do 85. Yes, there we go. Some speed. I mean, we can even slow it down even more. I have like 8 seconds for this. Yeah. How I'm gonna loop this. Loop out. Yeah, there we go. It's still like you can't see. You can't see. It's like this so tiny details. Should I make it larger? Make the cone larger. Make it bigger. Oh my gosh. Make it bigger. 125. 150. I don't know. 150. Okay, now we're ending. I'm at my 2-hour mark now. Yes, I'm now 16 minutes over because I started later today. But we're at our 2-hour. Yes, this looks okay. There's still the third. Okay, I'm starting this lower. Starting point. I need to lower this a little bit. Position. And this one, where is it? I could lower it some more. Yes. Fine. Why is it flickering? Okay, and we'll do the third one. I'll slow it down even more. So that's gonna be on screen a little longer. This one This one is gonna go really slow. I think I only have 3 of these. Oh right, I have balloons, right? We can do the balloons as well. They can go slow. This one is going a little slower than the first 2 firecrackers, and the balloons are gonna be the slowest, going upwards. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put this here in the bottom corner, maybe. No, I don't have room for that. Still don't know exactly what to do. In the middle, there's gonna be a text, of course. Happy New Year text in all different languages. That's the plan, at least. I saw a lot of different items here. Thought of maybe adding the UK to the list. Some UK buildings. Maybe the Big Ben or something, or the Eye. I don't know, but yeah. Alessandra says, gonna finish lunch, prepare for my stream. Thanks for the stream, Uma. Thanks for hanging out, Alessandra. See you later. The Eye is where fireworks is held. Yeah, I saw on Instagram. It looked very nice. I did not check out any fireworks this year. I think they're banning fireworks during the New Year's in the Netherlands. It's just a lot of accidents happen. But yeah, that's it for today, I guess. Try and figure this animation out some other time. Tomorrow, that is. Tomorrow, I'll be back at 4 p.m. CET if you want to come and hang out. Can you play the video? The animation, you mean? It's still not done, but I can show you what I have so far. On YouTube, someone's asking. Just let it loop. This is kind of what it's gonna look like. Thank you so much, everyone, for hanging out. Evie streaming later. Evie Johnson on Twitch. If you want to go and hang out, she's an amazing illustrator, artist. Go check her out. And Alessandra as well. Helpful Doodles on Twitch. Go check her out. Thanks, Evie. Thank you, Sean, for hanging out. Penny, Oliver, RB. Who else? Stian, I think. What's Stian here? Oh, it feels like Stian was here. Maybe he wasn't. I don't know. Mafu was here. Yes, Mafu. Xian was. And Odari. Yes, Odari stopped by and say hello. Yes, he was here. Thank you, everyone. Thanks, everyone on YouTube. If you want to come and hang out tomorrow, yeah, be great. Thanks, everyone. And Jane, of course. How can I forget Jane? Jane, of course. Thanks, everyone. Have a great rest of your Saturday. And if I don't see you, have a great rest of your weekend and a great week ahead. Okay, that's it. Everyone forgets me. No, I did not forget. Right. right at the end. Thanks everyone. Bye bye for now. Bye 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 bye. Let's stop this for a minute. Do I put this view? Yeah, I'm not gonna raid anyone, by the way. Let's play this continuously. Okay, bye. Do we go? Do we stay? You can do whatever you want, but I'm not raiding. Okay, bye bye. See you later.